Hey guys, and welcome back to British on a Budget. Whilst we are making the most of this amazing British weather that we're having, it would be a little bit rude not to get the barbecue out, in my opinion. So I thought I would try and do a little budget barbecue for 4 people. So in this barbecue we have got 2 burgers each with British BAPs. The burgers, to make it more cost effective, it's actually better if you make them at home. So you can buy 750 grams of British mince for £3.74, an onion for 10p and an egg for 20p, and you can make it yourself. I then compared the price of that to buying 8 beef burgers from a supermarket, and it came in at about £1 more expensive, and also it's much more satisfying making stuff from scratch. We've also got some British cheese to melt on top of the burgers because cheeseburgers just make a burger way better. And then there is going to be some salad going into it, and all in all that came to a whopping £7.42, which okay does seem a little bit, but if you divide that by 4 people, it is just £1.85 per person, so I think you're on to a winner. Now, I will just admit the videoing of this one is not brilliant because Mum got rather hangry, so was pressurising me a little bit, and filming whilst cooking is not the easiest thing, but I can tell you it is well worth the go and is proper good fun. So we have our homemade beef burgers using the mince, and they are going to go on the barbecue. So we've used half an onion and some egg in this, which obviously we can all get British, and it is a super easy way of saving a few little pennies. Look at the sizzle. And obviously we've got someone who is very interested in this dinner. Look at those!